Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this updated guide, we'll show you how to add a member to your list in X. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open the X app on your Android device. You can find the X app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Next, tap your profile picture located at the top left of the screen. This will open up your profile settings. Step 3. Now, navigate to Lists. Look for this option within the menu that appears after tapping your profile picture. Step 4. Type your desired list name. This is the name that will appear for your list. Step 5. Tap Edit List. This will allow you to make changes to your list settings. Step 6. Then, tap Manage Members. This option lets you control the members of your list. Step 7. Now, tap Suggested. This will display a list of suggested members you can add to your list. Step 8. To add a member, simply type their name in the search bar and tap Add. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily add members to your list in X. This feature helps you collaborate and share your lists with others. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.